The nature of karma, a dynamic process of adjustment. A quick blast of Theosophy by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. To comprehend karma as a dynamic process of adjustment, it is essential to explore its foundational principles. Unlike the conventional view that associates karma with punishment for wrongdoing, the Theosophical interpretation emphasizes the role of karma in facilitating growth and learning. This adjustment process is predicated on the understanding that every action, thought, and intention generates a corresponding effect, which serves to guide individuals toward greater self-awareness and moral development. This perspective encourages a proactive approach to life, where individuals are motivated to engage in actions that foster positive outcomes both for themselves and for others.